Welcome back to PerpTech Daily. I'm Aaron, and today, as always, we're going to be covering the PerpTech scene in crypto and talking about some meme coin stuff today as well. Going to start doing some meme coin stuff at the end of the videos because that's what people in crypto like. All right, so let's get straight into it. Hyperliquid sitting around $68. I've been talking about this on Twitter. This looks like a great accumulation range. As always, we have no clue where the price is actually going to go in the short term. Could it go up? Could it go down? I personally don't know if we'll ever see a $40 Hyperliquid ever again. I think it's very possible we stay in this range and then we break out to the upside and hit $100, hopefully. Lighter looking pretty good. It's had a pullback since its big run, but if you just take a look at how it's doing and you look at the daily looks good and the 4-hour chart looks really good. It's looking like it could run to new local high soon. So once again, we'll see what happens there and everything. Let's go to Hyperscan. Hyperscan, this is kind of new. We haven't really seen this in a while. In the next 24 hours, there's going to be negative TWAP buy pressure. Pretty interesting. So I guess some selling's going on. You can see there is a negative TWAP. So I guess some sellers are coming in, which is good. That's opportunity for us. As we stated in the beginning of this video, Hyperliquid's kind of been sitting in this range right here. So pretty expected. Lighter sitting around almost a billion 24-hour volume today. Open interest is about 850 million. Not too much news. Probably going to be our slowest video today. Slowest meaning the least amount of news for Hyperliquid Lighter, just not too much going on today, but there is some cool stuff, some cool podcast clips I want to point out. So Ansem and Banks, so you guys probably, if you don't know who they are, probably do, but Ansem is the largest influencer on crypto Twitter, and Banks is a popular, I guess just social media influencer in general who's kind of recently joined and gone mainly focusing on the crypto space. So he's attracting new liquidity, which is, I think personally a good thing. But anyways, here's what they talked about on their podcast. And Ansem basically said he thinks Lighter is a good trade. Good to see. Ansem has a lot of pull. So if Ansem shills Lighter, if Bank shills Lighter, that's probably gonna, do some work on the chart probably. So I'm, happy about that. Also, if you are interested, the founder of Lighter went on this podcast the other day called The Chopping Block and talked about a bunch of things. If you're trying to learn more about Lighter, this is probably, I haven't watched it yet to be honest, but it looks like a pretty good podcast to learn more about the Lighter protocol. And hopefully maybe one day we could have the Lighter CEO on this show right here. That would be pretty cool, wouldn't it be? But now I kind of want to talk about the meme coin stuff because that's kind of the big story, I guess, in terms of what's going on in crypto. And we're just going to go to DexScreener real quick and just take a look at the volumes right now that's going on. That's really it for the PerpTech stuff. That's really all we have for today. I'm just going to talk about meme coins a little bit because that's the hottest thing. The volume right now on the RobinHood chain, and Lighter is partnered with RobinHood. RobinHood invested a lot of money in Lighter. Both teams have a close relationship. The RobinHood wallet is using Lighter, and the RobinHood chain is using Lighter as its PerpTech. So this does have to do with Lighter and the PerpTech scene to a degree. But anyways, just take a look at the volumes. I mean, these are really strong volumes. 44.9 million, 7.3 million, 13 million, 4 million. Really strong volumes on chain. It is meme coins, but that's where the product market fit is. And I'm pretty sure RobinHood chain's done more volume than Hyperliquid has in the past 24 hours, which is good to see. Now, the interesting part is how long will this continue? How long will this hype last around RobinHood chain? And I said this on my guy Mike's show yesterday, Hyperliquid Mike. You should go check out his stuff, DGen Mike. But I think it's going to come down to how much the team at RobinHood actually focuses on pushing the chain. At the end of the day, the whole volume and meme coin stuff started taking off on RobinHood when the founder Vlad started tweeting about meme coins, okay? So I think it will come down to social narratives. I literally could come down to how hard the team pushes this RobinHood chain and how consistently on X. That might literally just be it because that's what kicked off this entire bull run in terms of all the meme coins and all the volume that's going on. And it's the best volume we've seen in a long time on chain. And it's not on Solana. It is an L2 that is on Ethereum. But really interesting stuff. And I think overall, RobinHood chain is very bullish. I think it's going to be bigger than Base. I think it's going to be the second place to Solana. I'm not sure if it'll ever dethrone Solana in terms of meme coins and stuff, but I think it's going to be a strong second place. RobinHood, as much as people may not like what happened in 2020 and all that kind of stuff, they have a huge user base and they have a user base that goes beyond crypto. They have a lot of stocks people. It's retail stocks favorite app, and that is huge. And those are the guys who are going to buy meme coins. So I overall think Robinhood Chain's positive EV for the crypto space, and if you're a lighter holder, positive EV for lighter. So happy about this, and yeah, don't really have much else to say for today's episode. Hyperliquid's looking good, Lighter's looking good, Robinhood Chain's taking off. So if you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe, leave a like. We post every single day, almost every single day, about the perp deck scene. Make sure you'll follow me on X and join my free Discord, link in the description. And yeah, thank you for watching.